In today's Telluride home tour, we are going to explore a absolutely perfect ski in, ski out residence. I'm standing here slopeside, trailside at the most prestigious or the absolute best neighborhood in all of Mountain Village. We're about 10 minutes away from Village 4, 10 minutes away from Donwa, to the town of Telluride, and a 15-minute drive to the town of Telluride itself down Highway 145. This home is stunning. We have post and beam construction, room for the whole family. It is a true Colorado mountain home that cannot be missed. Without further ado, let's flip this camera around. We have open space floor here at Good Park. Let's start with the home tour, and at the end, I will link in a video about the neighborhood as a whole, referencing the #1 highest sale that's ever occurred in the town of Mountain Village. It's a little bit of a windy day here. This is the Hood Park open space. Hood Park Road is commonly known as the most prestigious neighborhood that is available in the entire area. We have multiple 14,000-foot peaks right out our door, the first of which being Wilson Peak. Wilson Peak is actually the peak that you would see on the Coors can, a fantastic hike and one of the most sought after view corridors in the area. So this 26 acres of meadow does become a ski and ski out access. We have this trail sign directly ahead of me there, and that would be the divergence from Bridges Trail here off to our left, or Galloping Goose Trail that tracks down the meadow and around. Both of these trails lead to the base of Lift 1 and Lift 10. These are the hubs for beginner ski terrain, but also one of the ways that you can access expert ski terrain up by 12 and 20. If you want information on how this mountain skis, we have an entire video series on it down in the description or on our channel. You can find that. So, open space here, 26 acres. This is undevelopable land and one of the coolest amenities to have a beautiful field right outside your doorstep. Now, wandering in to this Hood Park home, because this is a ski home, we're going to enter through the ski door. Now, without taking your skis off a single time, you would wander in through this door here off to the side. Boots and gear off on this rack. And as we take a step downstairs, you have all the boot warmers one could ever want. More coats or hooks for those coats there, and another closet. But before we explore the downstairs, a few things that I absolutely love about this home. The focus is truly about being outside. So we have an absolutely incredible outdoor kitchen, patio space on the south terrace. We have a whole separate terrace or 2 decks that are off on this northern side, 3 fireplaces throughout the entire home to really create that cozy warmth throughout the space. And to top it off, fantastic quality of construction with this post and beam. And we're going to focus on some of these nice accents. They've done a really good job of blending a 2015 remodel throughout this kitchen. I am sure new countertops, new high-end appliances throughout the whole space. Nice bright backsplash in contrast to the darker slate throughout these counters. Huge pantry space here, double stacked oven that leads directly to the dining room table that has perfect frame of Wilson Peak again. Now, make sure to stick around. We'll head outside. I'll show you the old hot tub location, the fire pit, and that incredible kitchen. First, we're going to go back through into the main living space. Now, this is one of 3 gathering areas, or technically even a 4th gathering area. Huge high ceilings. Again, there's framed peaks through the meadow view that is protected. We enter into the TV room here, right off of the primary living area. Now, out to the front deck, there's absolutely no chance of future construction projects on either side. Tucked away, the peekaboo views out to the north. And some amazing privacy from our dead-end road down on Hood Park. If we go down the stairs, you get the opportunity to also see the downstairs patio. But one of my favorite things about this home is actually above the garage for a beautiful game room and billiard room, detached from the rest of the home in such a way that you would never know the kids are having fun over there while you are sleeping in the bedrooms on the other side. Now, there is access to 1 bedroom for on-floor living. Really generous size. Flowing through these double doors, we have our full bath that is en suite. Now notice here, separate door. This would also serve as the main bathroom for entertainment space. And this is also the room which you would use to hang up your towel, jump into your swimsuit, and head out to enjoy the hot tub. Up the stairs next, we have a grandiose primary bedroom with a secondary primary here. Again, retaining those high vaulted ceilings, en suite shower tub combo. And you can lay here in bed. You wake up, look out that window, and there's Wilson Peak welcoming you. And of course, you can see all the skiers passing you by until you hit the slopes yourselves. Across the way, you have 1 of 2 office spaces. That flows into the main primary bedroom. There is our 2nd of 3 fireplaces, big TV up top, and of course, a nice private patio that allows you to interface with the outdoor kitchen dining setup down below. Now, one of the things that is often overlooked in the Telluride market is a new roof. A new roof is not only very, very expensive, hundreds of thousands of dollars, but more importantly, the old style of the shake roofs. Insurance really has moved away from those. You still can buy a home and get insurance, but many of the policies here locally will require you to replace that roof within a 12-month period. So absolutely one of the first things you look for is a new metal roof. We're doing away with all of the old shake due to fire hazard. King size bed with tons of space on either side. Step in, floating vanity with 2 sinks, really well done shower. This is one of those highlights. You can tell this was part of the 2015 touch up. Oh, and check out this never ending closet. If that wasn't enough, even more closet and storage space through that there hobbit door. Okay, now here we are standing at the front door. This is going to be the primary entry point for the home. When hosting, you are welcomed in through this direction. This would be flowing back up towards the kitchen, living, dining area, up these steps. And as I was mentioning before, we have great separation with the billiard room above the garage. But check out this garage. This is the kind of thing that really shows this home was designed to be lived in and enjoyed on a very full-time basis. When I flip us around here, we have our secondary refrigerator, which is a fantastic thing, especially when you have so many folks joining. And then, of course, the doggy bath, because Telluride is more than people paradise. It is also puppy paradise. Your dog will never love you more than the weeks that he gets to spend here in town of Telluride / Mountain Village. Now we're going to go ahead and wander up this second staircase to show you what could be the 6th bedroom and is currently used as more of a billiard and play space. Big ping pong table, nice television, that stained glass, almost art piece that's also fashions as one of your lights. Really cool wet bar that flows all the way through to your shuffleboard. Gosh, this certainly could make an incredible workout facility. These could be bunk beds up against this entire wall. Maybe even a pool / ping pong table that doubles. Take that top off. And of course, its own bathroom facility right here off of billiard room. Now, our final component, of course, is adventuring downstairs. This is one of 2 stairwells. The first was on the other side of the home. That was our ski room. And coming down these steps, we have immediate access to our third and final seating arrangement. Outdoor dining space on this northern side of the home with a nice lawn, tons of landscaping. Yet another wet bar to make sure nobody has to leave in the middle of the game. You can pop up, grab your drinks. Check this out. All of the kids and grandkids galore here in this little bunk room that flows into an absolutely stunning and freshly redone shower, bath. Now, because it is summer, you can see all of their ski gear gets tucked away here in this pretty sizable closet. Very easy pull out for the rest of the season. Wander down this direction straight to your ski room. Now, because this house is designed to welcome so many people, you have a double laundry, just something that is so often overlooked, especially when we consider that this is a 1991 originally built home. And our final bedroom with an ensuite patio that we just saw, big reach-in closet, and one of the absolute best bathrooms of the entire home right here. Closet tub, again, that double floating vanity, frosted privacy door, a huge shower with the steam attachment. If you have absolutely any questions about this home in particular, the real estate market in Telluride, my name is Ryan Yaseen. If you found value in this video, hit that like and subscribe button down below, and make sure to watch along for this neighborhood tour of Hood Park, where we have had 4 of the highest sales in the Telluride marketplace. It is by far known as the absolute best neighborhood in Mountain Village. See you next time.